Hello and welcome back to my video about Nuxt.js. In this video, and this is the last video in this series of Nuxt.js videos for basic using, it's how you basically deploy your environment when you are done and when you're creating your app. It's very easy, but before then go for your package.json to be sure those lines it's inside, because else we can't do the next one. You just go down to say npm run, and you know it from a dev, run dev. It's starting the development environment. We have used it many times in these videos. The next we want to do is we want to build the application. We're just waiting a little bit here so it's done, so we can close it down again. And then we say npm run build, and then it's building our application, so it's ready when we need to deploy it. And you can see it have a dependency warning here. If you get dependency, I will say you need to search about it a little bit, about is something having effect on you or not. Sometimes you just can ignore it, sometimes you need to think about it. But then you can see we have creating the different sizes of the files and everything is working perfect. And then we want to start our server, so we just say run npm run, and if I'm going back to our server here, you can see it's running again. So if I go in for about, you still have the about side and it's perfect. If you have a site where you need to be indexed by Google or other search engine, I would recommend you to use the npm run generate. What this command do, you can see it here, it will build a static information about your project. It's require you use asynchronous data before you build the site, so the client have everything it's need, so you don't need anything to serve, because Google can sometimes have problems with read your site because you use it in pure JavaScript. But if you use the generator, you can in your web server you can say, you are a bot from a search engine, then you need to go for this folder, and you are a normal user, you can get the nice stuff here. That's all, and thank you for watching all my videos, and I really hope you want to subscribe, and I hope you want to make a comments below if you have any questions, and if you like it, share it with your friends, add it for your playlist, and see you next time. Thank you so much.